my name is Edgar Silva. I'm an instructor at U.S. Fine Art Education Center. I'm excited to announce that this summer I will be running workshops that will focus on figure painting and figure drawing. In this video, I would like to share with you the importance of these courses. Figure drawing is a key component of college application portfolios, and in this course you will learn to draw from life models and create a piece of art from start to finish. We will break down the complexity of the figure into manageable steps that will help you focus on the fundamentals and acquire a solid foundation. By drawing from life, you will acquire a solid foundation and you will learn the necessary tools to build a strong body of work that will help you develop a quality portfolio for your dream university or dream art career. I hope to see you soon and have a great, successful summer. Thank you.